Hello guys, what's up? Today's video is something very special. Today we are playing as a policeman. Today is our first day and they gifted us a police car. I just kept outside. So I think we can just change our clothes. Let's change. What clothes? Wait, what? Bro. Yeah. What's this? Huh? What's this, bro? I really don't understand what's happening. Psych. Anyways, I think we are a bit late because I woke up a little bit late, bro. So let's open our car. By the way, let's change this. Shirt. White. Yo, military, yeah. Shorts. Military. Yes, this go. Cap. Cap or hair? Bro, we can put hair. Yes, let's go. We don't need mask. Okay. It's over. Do we need bag? No. Bag too? No. Nothing. Let's go. Bro, whose bike is this? Yeah, maybe mine. And whose cycle was that? Anyways. What's this, bro? I don't understand. Okay. Let's take my car. It's my one and only police car. I kept it right there. Wait, what is this? This car is that. Wait, what? I kept my police car right here, bro. Where is it? And whose car is this? Did anyone stole my car? Shit. No. Yo, we can ask the guy. Bro, I'm already running a little bit late. Come on. Hey, yo, lady. Did you see my police car? She's selling that two violet guys with two violet cars. That's the same car. What? Whoa. We can ask where it is. Yo, lady, where did she take it? She's telling that they took that to a tower. Oh shit. Now I have to look all the towers. Better we can take this cycle. No, I'll take this car. What's up, bro? What? There's another car? What's the meaning of all this? I have to find my police car, or I will miss my job. Come on. What does this look inside? Bruh. She told like this over something like this building. Let's just check every building, bro. That's much more better. Yeah. She told this building. Yeah, this one. Right over here. So let's check this building. There got to be a way to get in, bro. She is telling that they take this to this building. There got to be a way to get in, right? Let's check. Let's go through the doors and take the elevator from inside. Yeah. What the fuck? Why is it not opening? And what's that? What's that, bro? Is that another building? Yeah, we can put sticky bombs. Yikes. I wonder that's enough. How to blow up something? What? Come on. Explosion. Are you kidding me, bro? Nothing's happening. Oh no. Any door will work? Please tell me this will work. No, bro. There's got to be a way. A ladder, a helicopter, a jetpack. Let's check for a jetpack. There's got to be a jetpack or a ladder. What? Did you guys see that? Is that a jetpack? Let's go. I think that's a jetpack. What the? And who is this? From where the world this Lamborghini came? Wow. That's a Lamborghini new edition, bro. Looks like it's a jetpack. Wait, she told me it's over that building. But it's kept over this building. So let's check this building first. Whoa, go faster. And to get to the police station. Yo, go. Oh, you kidding me? Yeah, are you kidding me right now, bro? Psyche. Yo, I see this. I see it. My brand new police car, bro. My police car. Yo, and that's the car she told the wild guys. And I'm going to destroy these cars. Yes, destroy. Mission destroy. Bro, don't destroy my car. Let's go. Mission destroy. Yes, that's what you get if you try to steal my car. You will die. Maybe get more away, far away, bro. Or else I may die. Please don't kill my car. Are you kidding me? No. My police car got destroyed, bro. Let's ask someone for the cheat code for this police car. I'm not that. Wait. Where's the jetpack? Yo. What is the jetpack? No. But I know the cheat code of the jetpack. My police car just got destroyed. But don't worry. We can ask someone for the police car jetpack, bro. No, shit. Police car's cheat code. I'm not a stupid idiot. Yo, go faster. Bro, when will this thing land? Okay, come on. Let's go. Let me get out. We can ask this guy. Hey, yo, bro. What's the cheat code for police car? She's selling 8123. Okay. 8123. Let's see what we get. What the fuck is this? It's a Mustang? Who needs Mustang, bro? Shut up, I don't need it. Oh, that's a royal jetpack. It fall down. Yo, we need to ask somebody. Yo, shit. We can ask this guy. Maybe this guy can help. Looks like he's a police officer or something. No, he's not. Hey, yo, bro. Do you know the cheat code for police car? He's selling 100. Okay, let's try. 100. Yeah! Thank you, man. This is a police car. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Come on, let's hop in. We don't have enough time. Oh, where's the driver's seat? Yo. Come on. I'm hopping in. I think I won't get a mission today. Let's go. Hop in, bro. I have to get there fast. Please don't destroy this car. I don't want this to get Even one crack. Yo, why is that another police car? Oh, yeah. I reached the police station. Whoa, 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 whoa. No lifting or anything. Yo, you already cracked. Whoa, nothing happened. Nice. Now it's time to get it. Yo, today is my first day. Let's go. Hey man, can you give me the. Oh shit. Show manners, bro. Hey bro, can you just give me the policeman uniform and tell me what's today's mission to complete? What the fuck? Bro, these guys are telling that we are too late and the mission was done, so you cannot again do the mission. And you are kicked out. You cannot be a policeman again. Shit. And if I ask you again, and if you are saying it's compulsory, you need to give me the mission again and give the policeman uniform, they'll just kill me. So let's run away, bro. Then what is the use of this police car? I need to kill those guys, but they have backups. No. I need to do something. What am I supposed to do? Oh, bro. Maybe we can go back home with this police car, bro. What? What is he telling to stop? Why are you telling to stop, Why are you telling to stop? Come on. He's saying that you cannot take the police car. Shit. No. Bro. We missed all this thing. You can see this, bro. Wait. Is that a Bugatti? The new one released? There's only one of them. And I am the only one who is having it. Let me check if it's that. No. But if you guys enjoy my video, like and subscribe. See you on the next video.